What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. It's night time now, but I've been working on the cars for a few hours. It's hot as shit, so I've got an ice block. I'm dirty and I'm burnt, but it's all good because we have a whole bunch of updates for everyone. The 32 is gone, which you'll probably gather by the title of this video. And we have a new drift car. Well, we've actually got two new drift cars, but I'll show you one today, and then I'll show you the other one when it is, when I can, I guess. My eyes are really burnt from a nasty welding helmet. Buy good welding helmets, because if not, your eyes will look like mine. Anyway, so introducing my new car, another Toyota Cressida. This one here is already set up for an LS, which is super handy because I have some massive plans which we will discuss soon. This car originally is from Victoria. Used to have a turbo LS in it, which is super cool. And as you can see, I'm slowly putting my panels on it because this is going to be essentially the old one. Ugh. Look here, you can see tube front, walk around, and here it is filthy. This car's sat in a paddock for a couple of years with no windows in it, but full roll cage, front to back, modded tunnel, obviously for the big gearbox. It's got coilovers, XM arms in the front, and some chopped knuckles. The back is pretty well standard. I think they've modified the rear arms, but I can't remember, just to get the camber out of it while it's sacked. Tube rear, some ears. So, new car. Hopefully it'll be done in the next 8 months. But the main Cressida is right in front of me, which is going to be ready by hopefully April, which is really exciting. I have a lot of explaining to do and showing to do, so here it is, the main Cressida, good Cressida. I gotta work out what to call them so we don't get them confused, because they're both LS, well, gonna be LS. They're both MX-83s, I don't know. Gotta work out what to call them, I have no idea. Anyway, this one here, I've been going and modifying. This is now all the mounts and everything welded up, ready to go for rear rad setup. And I've relocated the fuel cell in a different spot so it all fits and it's nice and low, good center of gravity. working on a new white. Oh, I love those rims. And puppy dog, he looks sad. Swapping panels over. This car is getting a full makeover. New paint, new wrap, new everything. All new panels. And, most exciting, a new motor. The new motor is a long story, but it's going to be awesome. I'll tell everyone more once it happens, because I don't want to say something and for it not to happen. Will essentially be that one. I'm not going to say anything else besides that. I'll let you piece it together, but that is what's going to happen. So yeah, this video has been pretty much nothing but me talking, which gets quite boring. So we're going to chuck in a whole bunch of clips, maybe before or after this, I don't know. Probably before, because we get you to watch it, and then you can listen to me dribble on afterwards. Anyway, that is the update on the Cressidas finally. Once the main Cressida is done, we'll do a full breakdown on that, which will be, like I said, in the next few months, which is super, super, super exciting. Big things are happening this year for this car. And then when the second one is done, we'll do a build breakdown on that. And they're both going to be, hopefully, 500 plus horsepower at the wheels. But we'll work it out. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you all soon. I'm going to enjoy my ice block. And I hope you enjoy whatever random thrash videos I find to keep you all interested in the video. Have a good one.